Have you been wondering how Terraform keeps track of all of our cloud madness? Well, today I'll look to state the not so obvious. In this short but vital video, we will look to bring the old Windex and napkin as we continue our October Terraform series, as it's vital for you becoming a Terraform expert. Also stick around to the end of the video so you know what we're covering next as we take the terror out of Terraform. Let's go!
This that venti fried chicken, that venti fried chicken, this that.
Hey VFC fam, it's your boy Joshua Tech Dev Walker, your Venti Fried Chicken author and global cloud slinger. This channel is dedicated to cloud computing and technology, so if you're interested in them things, subscribe. So let's cut to the chase, shall we? We're talking Terraform State. State is the lifeblood of Terraform. Its main purpose is keeping a ledger of all of your resources. With that, it helps keep track of all your deployment variances, and helps create new resource launch plans. It keeps the tabs on the resources like a stalkerish ex. And using that analogy, it's peeping where the resources went and who they're with. That rhymed. Bars. Your state is stored as a flat file, and by default it's named terraform.tf state. So as you can see, it's the heart of Terraform. So make sure you don't lose it. Also sorry if that triggered Aztec heart grab imagery. Also, aside from not losing it, you shouldn't add this file to your code repo. Reason being, at the minimum, you could risk overwriting your team's code if you're pushing to the same state file at the same time. But an even worse case scenario is you end up on CNN for leaking secrets, as these state files most of the time contain some very sensitive data. And if you're interested in me doing a technical video on dealing with state, let me know in the comments below. Bars. I know a lot of us are visual learners, so I drew an example of my kindergarten handwriting. In our example of AWS, you have your configuration as we stated, aka your deployment and configuration instructions. Your stuff has been deployed successfully, so now you have your terraform.tf state file as your ledger and record of this happening. This is presented in a neat JSON dump, which is cataloging the state of your infrastructure, aka your metadata. And in case you don't know what metadata is, it's just data about data. That's why if you use a command like terraform destroy and don't explicitly talk about a certain resource, it destroys everything. This Friday we'll be discussing variables and outputs, which will help you supercharge your Terraform development. Lastly, let me know what you're excited to automate in the comments. Train, inspire, relate,